When you think of luxury, you think of Rolls-Royce. And when you think of the ultimate Rolls-Royce, one name reigns supreme: the Phantom. In 2026, this iconic nameplate returns, more majestic, more opulent, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Welcome to the story of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom, the pinnacle of luxury redefined. 1. The legend continues. Since 1925, the Phantom has been the crown jewel of Rolls-Royce's lineup, a car built not for transportation, but for an experience. Over nearly a century, it has carried monarchs, movie stars, and moguls. The 2026 Phantom is a bold evolution of that legacy, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. It is not merely a car, it is a sanctuary, a masterpiece, and a statement all in one. 2. Exterior elegance. From the outside, the Phantom remains instantly recognizable: its commanding grille, its regal silhouette, its endless hood. But the 2026 model sharpens every detail. A new illuminated Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly atop the grille. Slimmer laser LED and crystal effect headlights shimmer like diamonds. Sculpted side panels, updated proportions, and two-tone paint options that rival fine art. Wheels as big as 23 inches, polished to perfection. Every line whispers confidence, every curve breathes authority. 3. A palace on wheels, interior. Step inside, and you enter another world. The cabin is a work of art: bespoke leather, open-pore woods, and hand-stitched details. The gallery dashboard returns, this time offering customers the option to display digital or even animated art under glass. Ambient lighting has been elevated to an entirely new level, simulating sunrise, sunset, or even starlight. The rear seats recline into full lounge chairs, with massage, heating, and cooling. Champagne chillers, crystal decanters, and monogrammed umbrellas await you. Here, every sense is pampered, and every moment feels eternal. 4. Electrification without compromise. For 2026, the Phantom is fully electric for the first time, yet uncompromising in its mission. The new Rolls-Royce Bespoke EV platform delivers over 500 miles of range, silent performance, and instantaneous torque. Powered by dual motors producing over 700 horsepower, it glides effortlessly, with zero emissions and infinite grace. Thanks to advanced battery tech, a quick 20-minute charge restores up to 80% capacity. The silence of an electric motor only amplifies the voice of luxury. 5. Driving dynamics. The Phantom has always been about being driven, but the 2026 model makes driving it yourself more enticing. Four-wheel steering makes it surprisingly nimble. Adaptive air suspension scans the road ahead with cameras and adjusts in real time for perfect comfort. Magic Carpet Ride has evolved, making potholes, speed bumps, and even cobblestones feel like glass. Drivers can choose from whisper-quiet chauffeur mode to sportier, more engaging dynamics when desired. Every journey is transformed into a serene procession. 6. Technology meets tradition. Rolls-Royce has managed to fuse advanced technology with classic craftsmanship. The infotainment system disappears behind a polished glass panel when not in use, leaving nothing but clean, uninterrupted surfaces. Advanced voice assistants, biometric security, and over-the-air updates keep the Phantom ahead of its time. Rear seat passengers can control the entire car: temperature, lighting, entertainment, from a jewel-like tablet embedded in the armrest. Technology here does not shout, it whispers, serving silently. Chapter 7. Personalization, your Phantom, your way. Every Phantom is a one-of-one, no two are alike. Rolls-Royce's Bespoke department lets clients choose everything, from rare leathers and exotic woods, to custom embroidery, to one-off paint colors inspired by anything from a gemstone to a sunset. Even the Starlight headliner can be configured to mimic your birth constellation, or anything you can imagine. This is not just a car, it is your car, your story, your vision. 8. The Spirit of Ecstasy, reimagined. Atop the bonnet, the Spirit of Ecstasy has evolved, now more aerodynamic, more graceful, and even illuminated at night. Crafted from crystal or precious metals, it can be customized, even diamond-encrusted if desired. A true symbol of freedom, motion, and aspiration, a jewel that leads the way. She is not just an emblem, she is a muse. 9. Quiet luxury in a loud world. In a world filled with noise and haste, the Phantom offers a sanctuary. Acoustic glass, sound-deadening materials, and even noise-cancelling technology ensure an interior quieter than a recording studio. The suspension isolates passengers so completely that even a coin standing on edge on the dashboard will not fall during a drive. Luxury is not about being seen, it's about feeling something no one else does. 10. Ownership experience. Buying a Phantom is unlike purchasing any other car. Customers are invited to the home of Rolls-Royce at Goodwood to commission their car. They meet with designers, craftsmen, and artists who bring their vision to life. After delivery, concierge-level service ensures the Phantom is cared for wherever you go, with a dedicated team available 24/7. From the moment you dream it, Rolls-Royce begins building it, just for you. 11. Rolls-Royce in the electric era. As the brand fully embraces electric power, the 2026 Phantom sets the tone, proving that luxury and sustainability are not mutually exclusive. Rolls-Royce promises to be fully electric by 2030, and the Phantom leads this silent revolution. A perfect harmony between heritage and progress. Luxury evolves, but its essence remains eternal. 12. The price of perfection. The 2026 Phantom, as expected, comes with a lofty price, starting at over $550,000, with bespoke options easily pushing it past $1 million. But for those who understand its value, the price is irrelevant, because owning a Phantom is priceless. You don't simply buy a Phantom, you commission a legacy. In the world of automobiles, there are cars, and then there is the Rolls-Royce Phantom. The 2026 model isn't just the next chapter, it's a masterpiece that redefines what luxury means in the modern age. Electric, opulent, timeless. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just built, it is born from dreams. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of ultimate luxury. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, stay inspired.